Hello guys, and welcome to my channel where we make simple meals using simple ingredients that you have in your home right now. Plus we will be doing part 3 and the final part of our story time, destiny swapping. Today we are making sugar biscuits, very simple recipe. So for this winter I got you covered. If you missed part 1 and part 2 of the story time, please go to the cheesy garlic bread video. You will see that we did part 1 of the story, and part 2 we did with the Brazilian lemonade video. So please go and check those videos out. Let's go. So uThabo noThemba sabagcina beka mehle mamba kamhlabi yalingana. Anyway, sebezwile ukuthi umalume akaphilile, athi uSpero, guys asambeni ngizonibuyisela ezakheni khona so celebrate kahle afterwards, ngoba kusho ukuthi sign le ukuthi umalume yonke into esiyenzile namhlanje ihambe kahle. Nangempela bahambe. uSpero athi ngizonyisa ekhaya esi1, nginyisa esibhedlela direct, fanele ukuthi siqale ekhaya size ukuthi usenjani umalume, isimo sikanjani, ukuze makukhona nabanye ekhaya abafuna ukuya esibhedlela sihambe nabo sibahambise sesibhedlela, yabona. Hayi bancomeke oThabo, yabo nje. Hayi azasho uThemba ukuthi shuthi masifika lapha fanele simane sikhalise ngathi nathi-ke siphatheke kabi, kanti siyazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Hayi bamncomeke, hayi yinje umehle mamba, hayi umehle mamba, hayi isikhokho, yabo nje. Nangempela-ke bafike kamalume, plot twist. Bafica esithi ngoma umalume uhleli phansi uyifundela iBhayibheli nefamily yakhe bakhona, but bathi mangabe bengena nje ishintshe imood endlini, ubone ukuthi people are not happy the way they are looking at uThabo noThemba. Umalume bathi nje beqeda ukuhlala phansi noSpero, umalume abheka uSpero athi, Spero hlala phezu kwendaba, yini lento ongithumelele yona? Athi uSpero, hayi baba, mina le nsizwa zombili zeza kumina zangitshela ukuthi zifuna ukuthwala, mina ngenza kanjani. Ngabayisa kubaba wamahashahasha, ubaba nje engibheka izinto zami kuyena ukuthi angilungisele zona, hayi nje izinto ezirongi baba. Nangempela-ke bengibayisa laphana ngimali yami ngenzela ukuthi ngicollect evidence, ngibuye ngikutshengise ukuthi lezi insizwa zo2 uyibheke baba, yonke into engikuthumele yona, iy'thombe nama-recordings engiwenzile baba, bengifuna ukuthi ubone ukuthi lezi insizwa zingaphezulu kumuphi umkhuba. Hhayi-ke kumane kube nomsindo-ke la endlini-ke iy'ngane zamalume zifuna uku-attack uThabo noThemba. Nangempela bathi purukutshu baphume babaleke. A plot twist we were not expecting. Kanti-ke guys-ke indaba-ke ila. Anyway, before sifike lapho, bambonge kamalume-ke uSpero, kuthiwe imfana usizile, uNkulunkulu uyaphila. noSpero naye athi, awu uNkulunkulu wakho baba uyaphila, uthembekile, buka nje abantu bebefuna ukuqeda ngawo. Baba qhubeke, yabo nje uSpero naye aplay along. Indaba ilana-ke, ngalesikhathi uThemba noThabo beya kuSpero, uSpero vele ubesenkingeni yokuthi uSpero vele wathatha lento le, yabo lento ekuthiwa inabungozi. uSpero-ke besekufika isikhathi la kufanele ukuthi enze i-sacrifice ngabantu abawu2 abesilisa abandawonye, ama-twins, and bekufanele ukuthi labantu laba bahlanye or izinto zabo nje zimane zingahambi kahle emhlabeni, antshontshe iy'nhlanhla zabo. So aphinde futhi enze i-destiny swapping nomuntu o-successful. So ngalesikhathi bem-approach-a uThabo noThemba, uSpero wamane wathola i-3-in-1, wasebenzisa uThabo noThemba bese bekhulumile vele nomehle mamba, and they knew very well from the start ukuthi uma ngabe umehle mamba banikeza ama-options awu3, ngeke bavume ukuyolala nenyoka 7 days, plus number 2 ngeke baze bavume ukubulala nokwenza nje izinto ezingacacile. So the easiest was this one of destiny swapping, and uSpero knew very well ukuthi uThabo noThemba banomalume wabo o-rich, ohlakaniphile nje when it comes to izinto zebhizinisi. So yonke lento lena eyenziwayo emathuneni, benikwa idaputapu kuthiwa abedle, uMahlimambe biza imoya, it was actually for uSpero. They were actually stealing their spirits, stealing their own destinies, plus i-destiny kamalume wabo for izinto zaSpero, ukuthi i-contract uSpero ayisayina nobumnyama iqhubeke njalo, uSpero aqhubeke abe ney'nhlanhla zakhe until kuze kushaya esinye isikhathi sokuthi aphinde futhi enze enye i-sacrifice. plot twist, right? So the moral of the story la, ungayihaleli into ongayazi. Ungaboni umuntu abantu bedrive imoto eziphambili zikanokusho benemizi emikhulu, awazi ukuthi abantu basebenze hard kangakanani ukuthi bathole lezo zinto, or ukuthi mhlambe bahlangene nabuphi ubumnyama ukuthi bayithole lezo zinto. Work hard for your back. Work hard for your back. Nothing beats hard work. Toodles, guys, and please don't forget to buy the Kavik bonds. Till we meet again, bye.